What y'all got going on? Hey. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, you two? Now, Jessie, that right there is the invitation. Really? She just invited you to play with her. Jessie. Jessie. She literally just said, hey, Jessie, come on and play with me. She's over there playing by herself. Here, let's throw the monkey. Ow! Let's throw the monkey over there. Let's throw the monkey and see if she'll play with it. Come on. Let's wait. No, wait. Ow! Dad, burn it. Just. But why couldn't Glory play with the monkey? Jessie. Jessie. Let me. I want. Can I? Jessie. Jessie. Oh, shoot. Let me. Please. 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 Jessie. Girl, seriously? Just a little bit? Can I have just a little bit? Okay. So now that you gave it to me, what are we gonna do? Because Sassy's right here. And you know you can't jump on her. Come on. Why are you looking at me like that? Jessie girl. What are you? You looking like you don't want to throw with it down. But he loves you. But he loves you. Ah. Oh, are we going to go into face bite mode? Oh. 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 Tug of war. Oh, really? Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Girl. Ow. Ow, that was my phone. Jessie, Jessie. 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 What you gonna do now? Such a pretty girl. Hey, such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. All right, Jessie, say bye. Say, I'm done for now. Say, it's finna be nap time.